Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about encapsulation. It is one of the important principles of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation is a mechanism of combining code and data together into a single entity called class. In Java language, class forms the basis of encapsulation. All of us might have seen a capsule, right? Just like how a capsule encapsulates medicine inside it, in Java language, a class encapsulates code and data together as a single entity. Let us now understand how encapsulation acts as a protective wrapper around members of a class and protects them from outside interference. When a member of a class is declared as private, it is accessible only within the class and it is not accessible outside the class. Similarly, when a member of a class is declared as public, it is accessible to the code within the class as well as outside the class. These public and private keywords are called access specifiers. In coming videos, we will learn in detail about access specifiers. By specifying access specifier of data member of a class as private, we are protecting the data from outside interference. This mechanism is called data hiding. Let us understand this concept with a simple example. Here I have created a student class having name attribute and a constructor function that sets the value of name attribute with a given value. Now I am going to access the value of name attribute from another class called main class. Inside the main method of main class, I have created a student object using new keyword and passed Anil as argument to the constructor function. Afterwards, I am printing the value of name attribute of student object. Here is the output. Since I have specified the access specifier of name attribute as public, I am able to access it outside the student class. If I now change the access specifier of name attribute from public to private, then we will get compilation error because we are trying to access the private attribute of a class from outside the class. As I have said, private attributes are accessible only within the class and are not accessible outside the class, whereas public attributes are accessible both within the class and outside the class. In summary, encapsulation is a mechanism of combining code and data together and protects the members of class from outside interference.